Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Phakade convinced Mzwandile should not marry Kanyo. Phakade tell Mzwandile that it's not a right time to marry Zagiti. He must learn first and love and know each other well. Zetulele has a nightmare of Sakile murdering him and attack Clemmy Boy in the freezer. Zagiti is dumbfounded to learn that Figile is alive, and Mandlovu loses it when she discovers that Maharaji is a shareholder at Maluchu. Kulego and Nokzola visit Maharaji, and it seems like Kulego wants to attack Maharaji, but Nokzola tries to stop Kulego, but Kulego point Maharaji with the gun, and it seems like Maharaji is not scared for Kulego. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.